This morning, a dramatic custody battle in the spotlight between the biological parents and the surrogate who carried a baby boy.
I just know that he's a fighter and he deserves to be surrounded by people who are 100% willing to fight alongside him.
Surrogate McKenna West wants custody of the newborn she delivered on Wednesday. At 20 weeks into the pregnancy, the biological parents faced a heartbreaking choice, receiving a diagnosis of a serious condition called hypoplastic left heart syndrome. They chose to terminate the pregnancy.
I didn't think that I could live with myself doing that.
West ultimately objected, heading to Texas, where abortion is a crime, for medical care and legal refuge.
We do believe that she is the mother under Texas law.
But a Texas court blocked West from asserting any parental rights, and a California court recognized the biological parents as having rightful custody.
How often do we see these kind of rifts between surrogacy and parents?
This is a novel legal question. And, for example, in this case, what is a parent and how do we define parentage?
Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton intervened in support of the surrogate, urging a court to block the removal of the baby from the state. The parents' attorney telling NBC News in a statement they are devastated to see their family tragedy transformed into political theater, adding their only focus is ensuring that their baby receives the medical care that he vitally needs, and that they, as his parents, are able to spend every precious moment they can with their beautiful newborn son. Now the good news here, we are told by all accounts this morning the baby boy is doing well. His biological parents were able to travel to Dallas to be with him after the delivery. In fact, the surrogate's attorney tells us that due to the Texas court order, she was not even allowed to hold him after delivery. But she says she is still fighting to raise that child herself. Her attorney saying they're prepared to take this novel legal question all the way to the Supreme Court if they need to.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.